do, 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 shell from the ocean, shining in the sky, covering the shore. When I see you, then my heart tells me that I love you more than only. Ready for the shell, for the shell from the ocean, shining in the night, covering the shore. When I see you, thanks, Alex. And my heart tells me that I love you more than only pretty pearly shell. More than only pretty pearly shell. Don't look so sad. I know it's over, but life goes on, and this old world will keep on turning. Yes, let's be glad we've had some time spent together. There's no need to watch the bridges that were burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whispers of the raindrops blowing soft across my window, and make believe you love me one more time for the good time. You'll get along, you'll find another, but life goes on, and this old world will keep on turning. Just let's be glad we've had some time to spend together. There's no need to watch the bridges that were burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whispers of the raindrops falling soft across my window, and make believe you love me one more time for the good time, for the good time. When I was doing my teacher's training, and we used to have the shows with Helena's girls, and this used to be the last song we would always sing. I mean, the last song that would always play. We had recorded music at that time, so this would be the last song, and everybody with the lights off and dancing, hugging. Not me. I was not the hugging and kissing type at that time. Now it's a different story.